I was like, why not? It's summertime, it's hot. Like, let me do a little short curl bob type thing. This wig is it, y'all. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is another wig review from Amazon. I'm so excited because this hair is beautiful, and it like I don't know, I don't even know what to say about it. Like, I love this hair. Like, I keep looking in the mirror, these curls, the way everything is laying. Like, this is it. So if you want to know more about this hair, keep watching. Okay, so the wig came with an elastic band. I'll show you the inside of the wig in a second. I really want to cut these combs out. I hate combs, but you just hook the elastic band to these hooks hooks that they provided in the wig for you. I've actually never had a wig that came with an elastic band. I always sew my own elastic band, so this is interesting and new for me. At first, for me, it could be a little tighter. The comb. Me and combs definitely do not mix. All that. Golly. So it also has like hooks too here, because the elastic band honestly isn't enough. It's still loose on my head. So I'm gonna have to also tighten the straps that come with the wig as well. Okay. Okay. It's still like not good for me, but I'll take it. Yeah, I'm gonna cut my ear tabs. Excuse all that noise, the sun is playing. So I think what I'll actually want to do is go ahead and like glue the wig down. No, I'm not. I'm gonna cut my ear tabs like I said. Okay, so to glue my wig down today, I'll be using the Got2b gel and the Got2b holding spray. Now, the way I like to do it is I actually like to put the gel on my hair, because I find when I solely put it on here on my forehead, it doesn't last as long. Also, my forehead isn't that big, and I can't pull my wig all the way like down. You know what I mean? I don't want my wig sitting like on my forehead. So yeah, so I just do this about 1.5 inches all around the perimeter of my head. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna take my spray and I'm gonna spray that. I did a video on this Got2b spray. You can actually tack your wig down with that alone, but I found that when I use both of them together, I get a stronger hold. All right, so now I'm going to just pull this down where I want it to be. I have not tweezed or anything. I haven't done anything to this wig yet. I decided that I want to tack it down first. Look at that, it's sticking already. That's wild. I'm gonna tack it down first and before I do anything to it. I tie this down. I look crazy. But I'm gonna take this scarf and tie my hair down. And while I wait for this to dry, I'm gonna give it about 5 to 10 minutes. While I wait for it to dry, I can tie it on right. Alright, so while I wait for this to dry, I'm gonna just chill out a little bit and I'll be back. So I'm so excited, you guys. I came to y'all no makeup on, no brows, nothing. Like, I'm just so excited. I wanted to come and show you guys his hair because I installed it and I had planned on like doing makeup and stuff like that, but I just wanted to hurry up and get this wig on because I was too excited. Like, it's late, it's 9 o'clock at night and I really don't feel like putting on makeup, like. So I'm just gonna give you guys this review and y'all won't take it. So I got this wig from Amazon. This is a fake scalp wig from Jessica Hair. It is a 13 by 6 frontal wig and it is 12 inches long. I paid $110 for this wig and it is well worth it, I'm telling you. The hair came pre-plucked and everything. Like, in the video you can see me like plucking it a little bit, but I probably took like 10 hairs off. Like, I really didn't have to do anything. I was really debating on whether I needed to do something to it because I'm so used to having to do something to it. So like, I don't know, like, it's like, if you see like a little bit of like shininess on my forehead, that's just from the Got2b spray. That's easily removable with some alcohol or some water in this. Yeah, like, I'm gonna put a screenshot up of the wig, the website on Amazon or whatever, and I'm also gonna link it down below. But I really don't have much to say about this hair. Like, this hair is beautiful. I have no complaints. Like, the lace, like even the fake scalp, like I tweezed that or whatever. I have no cap on under this, y'all. Like, I do have some makeup. You'll see in the video the scalp part was looking a little too light for my complexion, but some makeup just fixed that right on up. I don't know if the knots are bleached or not. I honestly can't tell. But like, they don't look bleached to me. Does it say that they're bleached? These scissors are like not sharp at all. They're really dull. And at first I was kind of mad about it, but I'm like, it's kind of good because it'll cut my lace like really raggedy. No, it's just pre-plucked, so it's not bleach. Yeah, but it's like, you can't really bleach it though because of the fake scalp. I didn't show you guys, but basically it's like fabric underneath the lace that shows, like, in the replace of if you were to do the ball cap method, basically. So it's just replacing that or whatever, so you can't really get under there and bleach the knot. So I just put a little bit of foundation and yeah, like, look at this hair, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna tie this down again. Okay, so I just cut my lace off. I put a little bit of makeup on it. Cut my lace off, and now I use a little bit of hairspray to like melt the lace to my skin properly. So this wig is pre-plucked. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do like extra pre-plucking. I may not. I may want to see like what it's looking like without it. But I feel like I won't like it, so I probably will do the pre-plucking. So yeah, I'm just trying to take my time and do this right, do it right, and then we can style the hair and see what it's looking like, and I can give my honest opinion on the hair. Okay, let's take it off and see what we got going on here. Pull it off like this. Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna take this out, this infant Q-tip thing, just a little bit of alcohol, don't want too much, and I'm just gonna not touch my lace, but just get my forehead. So I'm gonna take some baby hairs out and cut and see where I need to tweeze and all the other good stuff. Okay. Okay, so for my baby hairs, I'm going to use this Eco Styling Gel. I just like how the gel lays baby hairs. So that's what we're going to use today. Now I don't really like a lot of baby hairs, just a select few, so that's why I did it like that instead of me pulling out my whole perimeter. Like, I actually think I don't want to like pluck it anymore. I think I might want to leave it how it is. I don't know. Just pluck it a little bit. And I have flakes flying out of my hair from something. Now I'm gonna wet my hair down and we're gonna style it. Try not to, just trying to get like not in here, but like mainly my ends, so. Okay, so, ooh, I like it. I am just putting some gel in my hair. So when I have curly hair, I like to use gel to define the curls, just like Eco Styling Gel, just like you would do, like if you were doing like a wash and go or something with your natural hair. I like to do that with my weaves as well. It just holds the curl like so well. Yeah, this is really cute. This is it. Okay, you guys, so it is the next day, or next night, should I say. I've probably had this wig on for a full 26 hours. I think I put this wig on yesterday. 8 something, maybe almost 9 o'clock, and it's 10:21, almost 11 o'clock. So I've had this wig on for a good 25, 26 hours, and y'all, I love this wig. Like, seriously, I don't sleep in my wig, so the fact that I was able to keep this wig on for this long says a lot for me. Like, I'm the kind of person, like, as soon as I get home, I gotta snatch my wig off. Like, it's not comfortable for me because I don't like how it feels on my hairline. But this wig is very light. It is short, so of course that adds to why it's so light. But I don't know. And like I said, this is a fake scalp wig. And I forgot to show you guys how the inside of the wig looks like before I put it on, so I will be taking it off on camera as well. But yes. Okay, so I had to switch memory cards. I don't even know where I left off, so what? Let me just start over. This is a 13x6 lace front wig, lace front fake scalp wig from Jessica Hair on Amazon. 150% density, and it's 12 inches long. The hairline was pre-plucked and it came with baby hairs. And everything that they said in this description was everything that I got. Y'all saw in the video, like, I barely had to pluck anything. Like, I just plucked it just because I'm like, oh, let me do it just in case. But in reality, I didn't have to. I probably plucked like 10 hairs, which is nothing when you're plucking wigs. So, I don't know, y'all. I really like this wig. Like, this is it. This is definitely something. Like, I've had it on for over 24 hours and it still looks this good. Like, I'm pretty sure, like, maybe my lace might be lifting a little bit, or you might be able to like start to see like the edges a little bit. But keep in mind, I slept in this hair and I've been wearing it since yesterday night. And I've just been doing stuff all day. So for it to look like this, and I literally only laid it down with Got To Be. Like, I laid it down with Got To Be. It's not even laid down with lace glue. So the fact that it's lasting like this, like, y'all, I'm excited. Like, this hair is it. Like, I can see myself wearing this to functions, okay? Like, even if I go on vacation, I can see myself wearing this. Like, it's easy to put on as well. Like, it don't take long to put on, and then it lasts for this long. I can leave it on. It's comfortable enough for me to leave it on. The lace isn't itchy. It's not hard. It's not rough. It's not thick. The lace is actually pretty thin. So I don't know, y'all. I really like this wig. So this is the end of this video. I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be updated when I post my next video. Also, if you haven't noticed from the beginning part of my video, I now have lashes on. I recorded me doing my lashes. So go ahead and check that video up. It should be up now. It should be up now. I don't know if I'm gonna put it up before or after this video, but we shall see. Just be on the lookout for it. And yeah, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you are notified when I upload my next video. Comment down below if you guys decide to try this hair. I really recommend it. Like, I feel like everybody needs to go and get this wig now. And it comes in different lengths. You do not have to get it this short. But when I get curly hair, I normally just cut it short. So I was like, why not? It's summertime, it's hot. Like, let me do a little short curl bob type thing. This wig is it, y'all. So thank you guys again for watching. I love you guys. Bye.